What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to fold your scooter. So I have here two scooters. It's actually Ninebot F2 Plus and I've got Ninebot E2 Pro, and I will show you how to hold and fold both of them. So let me show you how to do it. First, what you need to do is you have this handle here. So actually you should hold two hands. Then you unlock it, as you see, and you can scroll a bit down. So it's going down here, very simple. Then you have this ring here, and this ring should be on the back cover. Now you see it's fixed, so it will not fall apart. Then you just use your one hand to raise it. Okay, now let's unfold it. So actually you press the string here. You see, so it was folded like this, you see, then you press here and put it up, then fix it back fully. Okay, so then here's a protection. You need to put it up. When it's closed, it will not be open automatically.